Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound shown is a vinyl ether, an enol ether. Looking at the structure, the left side shows a trans, E, alkene with a methyl group, CH3CH is equal to CH, connected via oxygen to a gemdimethyl vinyl group, -OC, CH3, is equal to CH2. This is E1-propenyl to methylyl ether, or more precisely, the ether between E-prop1N1-ol as enol, and to methylyl group. Moving on to the next step. Under H3O+ conditions, enol ethers undergo hydrolysis. The enol ether linkage, C is equal to COC, hydrolyzes to give a carbonyl compound plus an alcohol. Moving on to the next step. The E1-propenyl part, CH3CH is equal to CHO- is an enol ether that on hydrolysis gives propenyl, CH3CH to CHO, an aldehyde. The 2-methylyl part, -OC, CH3, is equal to CH2, on hydrolysis gives acetone, CH3COH3, a ketone. So A is equal to propenyl, an aldehyde, and B is equal to acetone, a ketone, or vice versa. And for the final step, A2,4-DNP, both aldehydes and ketones react with 2,4-DNP to give orange-yellow precipitates. Cannot differentiate between an aldehyde and a ketone using this reagent. B. Fehling solution. Fehling's solution is a reagent that distinguishes aldehydes from ketones. Aliphatic aldehydes, like propenyl, reduce Fehling's solution giving a brick-red precipitate of Cu2O, while ketones, like acetone, do not react. This can differentiate A from B. C. Lucas reagent, ZnCl to conc. HCl. This differentiates primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Neither propenyl nor acetone is an alcohol, so Lucas reagent is not applicable here. D. NiHSO3. Both aliphatic aldehydes and methyl ketones, like acetone, form bisulfite addition products with NiHSO3. Acetone does react with NiHSO3, and so does propenyl, so this cannot reliably differentiate them in this context. Fehling's solution can differentiate an aliphatic aldehyde, propenyl gives positive test, from a ketone, acetone gives negative test, making option B the correct answer. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.